folks, we have the same people coming to every meeting week after week.
We don't get many guests anymore, and when we do, they end up joining another club.
Agenda is not complete again. There are so many roles to fill.
I have been a member of this club for 3 months now. I still don't know what Pathways is about.
Are you experiencing problems similar to these in your Toastmasters club?
Are you having trouble with unproductive meetings, attracting new members, retaining the members you have, or reaching DCP goals? Have you heard about the Club Consultant Program?
What is the Club Consultant Program? The Club Consultant Program helps you complete moments of truth to assess your club. Through this activity, you will identify the problems. From there, you can choose one area you'd like to focus on. The Club Consultant Program will assist you.
We will provide online resources or in-person support to experienced Toastmasters. Based on your moment of truth outcome, we will identify a plan and set clear goals.
So what are you waiting for?
Watch the First Steps video and get started on your path to success today.